Good morning, students. Today we are going to study our new topic, current, electricity, chapter number 12 from your physics. Now this chapter is really very interesting. Let's understand how. So first of all, the question comes in our mind, what is electricity? So children, electricity is a form of energy which has facilitated our life. You all know the fan, it gets heated up at home, so we switch on the fan. If it is dark, we switch on the light. ACs, refrigerators, and so many devices all work on electricity. So we all can come to a conclusion that electricity is a form of energy. Let me write that. So, electricity is a form of energy. Now the second question arises, how does this electricity is produced and what happens actually when we switch on the devices? So we all know the devices are connected with conductors, or you can say as wires, which are made up of metal. If you see the metal wire, yes, it has large number of electrons. We all know these are free electrons. So this symbol is for electrons, and these electrons are always moving in any direction with any speed. So such a motion is called as random motion. So because of random motion, no current. So the current is zero since the motion of electrons is cancelled and the net effect of motion, such a motion, random motion, becomes zero. But when this conductor is connected to a cell, we all know the symbol of cell, a big line and a smaller one. The big indicates a positive terminal and small indicates negative terminal. So these electrons which are having negative charge in them, I'm going to teach you that in detail, but let's understand what happens from random motion, what happens when we connect a cell or a battery. Yeah, it's denoted by capital E. It is a symbol for energy of the cell. Okay, so now negative will repel. So they repel, so they flow from negative to positive. Now this flow of electrons, see, is one way. And this one way flow of electrons, see, here it is random motion and here it is one way. So one way flow of electron, this is conventional direction of electrons from negative terminal to positive terminal. So the flow of electrons from negative terminal to positive terminal constitutes a new effect, which is current, electricity. Current, electricity, children. Now to understand current electricity, we need to understand the motion of electrons and electrons themselves. These electrons have a very important property, inherent property with them, and it is called as electric, C-H-A-R-G, electric charge. Yeah, the symbol for electric charge is Q or capital Q. It is measured in SI unit, C-O-U-L-O-M-B, Coulomb. Coulomb is the name of scientist which has done a huge work for electric charges. So we'll understand that later. 1 electron charge is equal to E, it is denoted by E, 1 electron charge, and it is equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 C for, as usual, Coulomb.